Hello again. Earlier today I did a pour using pastels and black, and I had some leftover paint from it. So I thought I would just try me a dirty pour doing the tree ring, which I really struggle to do. I've got a lot of paint, so I'm going to do a bit of this and a bit of that and see what I can come up with. Okay, well, as usual, I've managed to put it over one edge and not the other. Not a problem. Before I go any further, I do have to tell you that I did add dimethicone to the cup. So I will now get my gloves on and take it from there. Okay, before I tilt it, I'm going to run my comb through it as I did in my last painting, just for something different to do. Yeah, so I will just start at the edge. So when I edit this video, of course I will be fast forwarding, but I do have to tell you I've done that very, very slowly to allow the paint to go through. And now I'm going to tilt it and see what comes out. I hope it's not too muddy. That is, I don't know, I'm beyond words. It's just, I love it. I just love it. It's gorgeous. It's going to stay exactly like that. I'm not changing this. I'm gobsmacked. Right, I'll torch it now. As I can see, a few air bubbles, but I'm only going to give it a light torch because remember I did add dimethicone to it and I don't want too many cells. will do. As I said, I really don't want the cells. Next time I do this, and I will be doing it again and again with the comb, I'm just loving it. But next time I do it, I will not add dimethicone to it and see what difference that makes. Okay, so I'm going to bring the camera down now for a close-up and some pictures.